Welcome to a Team Hoops event. Do you want an event like this at your next festival? For your church fundraiser? For your school booster club? All you have to do is contact us at www.teamhoops.com. Don't have enough street room? Don't have a big parking lot? No problem. We can also do a 4-on-4 flag football tournament. Remember what Mr. Hoops always says, we'll see you on the courts, we'll see you on the fields. It's showtime, baby.
This is a journey.
It's my beat.
Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing alright.
Funk you up, uptown, uptown.
'Cause uptown won't go give it to you. Saturday night and we in the
You will see later on in the video our social media sites. Make sure you visit us and visit us on the web at www.teamhoops.com.
I'ma rock to the beat till it hurt. Everybody, body in the club go to work. I'ma rock to the beat till it hurt. Everybody, come on.
Log on via smartphone, tablet, or computer to teamhoops.com, or you can contact Basketball and Air Raid Hotline at 502-819-4667. Turn your phone sideways for better viewing of videos and drop-down information when registering your team. Follow registration steps and check out more highlights and pictures from Team Hoops events using navigation tabs at the top of the page. You can also find out more on social media by following us on Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. Once again, the hotline is 502-819-4667.